Hey guys, so Dravidian actually refers to a family of about 80 languages, of which Tamil is the oldest, and which therefore makes Tamil one of the oldest languages in the world, and one of the 7 world classical languages, alongside Hebrew, Greek, Latin, Chinese, Sanskrit, and Arabic, from which most of humanity's culture and history stems from. Recent linguistic analysis estimates the origins of Dravidian people to be around 4,500 years ago, and were the result of a mixing between the Iranian farming communities of the north and the Aboriginal Indians, who you will see referred to as the ancient ancestral South Indians. These Aboriginals of India were the direct descendants of the humans that reached Asia from Africa. This was during the big migration waves that happened around 50,000 years ago, which spread the human species all over the world. Now, if you're like me and you're wondering why is there this random isolated region of speakers in the northwest, well, this is actually thought to be the origin of the Dravidians and the roots of one of the greatest societies of the ancient world, the Indus Valley Civilization. It covered 1.2 million square kilometers, much larger than that of the Egyptian or Mesopotamian eras. The civilization lasted for 2,000 years, but eventually, due to a change in climate and the drying up of the riverbed, the Dravidian people migrated further southwards. However, the story of the Dravidian people does not stop there. If you have travelled to Southeast Asia, you would have noticed the presence of South Indian influence in the region. This is heavily due to one of the greatest empires in the world's history, the Chola Dynasty, a Tamil empire that spread across Southeast Asia and lasted for 1,500 years. This ruling Dravidian kingdom had an important role in forging the culture, especially across the Malaysian peninsula and the islands of Indonesia, and is why, for example, the languages of Thai, Khmer, Sinhala, Burmese, and Javanese all have their writing systems originating from Tamil. Now, if that wasn't enough, one of the biggest examples of the influence of Dravidians is the Temple of Angkor Wat, the world's largest Hindu temple as well as the world's largest religious site, built by King Suryavarman II, a Tamil king and descendant of the Chola family. Finally, from the 12th century onwards, a strong force of Islamic ideas in the subcontinent eventually led to a generalized weakness of the Dravidians, but that is a story for another day.